Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're exploring MyTelemedicine.com, a platform designed to connect patients with healthcare providers remotely. This service aims to bridge the gap between traditional in-person doctor visits and the increasing demand for accessible and convenient healthcare options. Navigating the site, you'll find a wealth of information regarding the types of services offered, ranging from urgent care for common ailments to management of chronic conditions. The platform emphasizes the ease and speed with which patients can connect with a doctor, often within minutes, eliminating the need for lengthy waiting room times and travel to a physical clinic. MyTelemedicine.com highlights its commitment to providing quality care while also emphasizing affordability and convenience. They appear to offer a variety of ways to engage with their services, including video consultations, phone calls, and secure messaging. Further investigation reveals a focus on patient privacy and data security, adhering to HIPAA regulations to ensure confidentiality. The website also seems to offer resources and support for patients navigating the complexities of telehealth, offering clear instructions and FAQs to address common questions and concerns. They likely outline the process of registering, booking appointments, and connecting with healthcare professionals, streamlining the user experience. A closer look suggests the platform may support various insurance plans, allowing patients to utilize their existing coverage for telehealth services. Furthermore, MyTelemedicine.com likely provides detailed information regarding the qualifications and credentials of their network of healthcare providers, offering transparency and ensuring patients can make informed decisions about their care. The site probably emphasizes the benefits of telehealth, such as reduced travel time and costs, increased access to specialists, and improved management of chronic conditions through regular virtual check-ins. Finally, it looks like they might offer testimonials and reviews from satisfied patients, showcasing the positive impact of their services and building trust with potential users.